Hey there, Order Now viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. The highly anticipated next generation of AirPods Pro. And we're here to dive into all the amazing features and upgrades it brings to the table. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Adaptive audio. Now playing. Up to double more active noise cancellation. Transparency mode to hear the world around you. All new adaptive audio intelligently tailors noise control to your environment. Spatial audio takes immersion to a remarkably personal level, and a single charge delivers 6 hours of battery life. Audio performance too, more immersive by every measure. The Apple-designed H2-chip is the force behind the advanced audio performance of AirPods Pro, working with the driver and amplifier to create crisp, high-definition sound. It uses computational algorithms to deliver noise cancellation, superior three-dimensional sound, and efficient battery life, all at once. The chip uses powerful adaptation algorithms to process sound more quickly, tuning audio at the precise moment you hear it. Every detail is rendered for your specific ear shape, immersing you in higher fidelity sound. An inward-facing microphone works with voice enhancement algorithms to recognize and articulate your voice, so your phone and video calls always sound completely natural. A custom-built driver and amplifier work with the H2 chip to provide lower distortion during playback, so you'll hear deeper bass and crisper highs. Across all volume levels, intelligent noise control, unheard of sound, on every level. The H2-powered AirPods Pro now feature adaptive audio to automatically prioritizing sounds that need your attention as you move through the world. By seamlessly blending active noise cancellation with transparency mode when you need it, adaptive audio magically delivers the right mix of sound for any environment. Up to double more active noise cancellation. Noise-canceling microphones and a rear vent are optimally placed to quickly detect sound coming in, working together to counter noise before it reaches your ear. A driver and acoustic algorithms help active noise cancellation reduce more unwanted noise. With control over what you hear and don't hear, you can immerse yourself in music and podcasts, or simply stay focused like never before. 4 pairs of silicone tips are included to fit a wide range of ears. The tips secure AirPods Pro in place and create an acoustic seal that closes in the sound. Transparency mode harnesses the power of H2 to minimize the intensity of loud noises like sirens or power tools, so you can comfortably hear the world around you. Reduces noise at 48,000 times per second. Personalized volume uses machine learning to understand your listening preferences in different environments and automatically adapts sound based on your patterns over time. When you're wearing AirPods Pro and need to speak with someone nearby, conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume of what's playing, enhances voices in front of you, and reduces background noise. A higher level of control. Touch control lets you manage playback functions from the stem. Swipe up or down to adjust volume. Press to play and pause music, or mute and unmute yourself on calls, and press twice to end a call. You can also hold the stem to switch between listening modes. Personalized listening sound, tuned to you. AirPods Pro take the listening experience to a new level of individuality. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking works with all your devices to immerse you deeper in all-around-you sound, and adaptive EQ accounts for the fit of AirPods Pro, so you hear every frequency just as it was intended, to play sound that better suits your unique shape. Personalized spatial audio works with the TrueDepth camera on your iPhone to create a custom profile based on your head's geometry. The profile syncs across your devices, delivering phenomenal sound to every way you listen. Dynamic head tracking brings three-dimensional audio to group FaceTime calls, so conversations feel like you're in the same room with your friends and family. Adaptive EQ tunes music to your ears in real time. Based on the fit of AirPods Pro, inward-facing microphones measure what you're hearing, then adjust the low to high frequencies of a song, so you get consistently detailed playback every time. Case and battery life via case. Unmistakable power. Up to 30 hours of total listening time, with active noise cancellation enabled using the case. The MagSafe Charging Case 5 is loaded with features that make listening on the move especially convenient. The case offers helpful ways to keep track of its location. An extended battery life lets you listen, watch, and talk longer between charges. You won't find a more capable case. Recharge the MagSafe Charging Case with an USB-C connector, Apple Watch charger, or MagSafe charger. You can also use a QI-certified charger. The U1 chip enables Find My with precision finding 8 for your case, so you can locate it exactly. You can also use Find My with proximity view if you lose track of your AirPods Pro. A lanyard loop allows you to attach the case to a backpack or handbag, so immersive sound is always within reach. The case's built-in speaker plays sound to help you easily locate it, and alert tones let you know when the battery is low or pairing is complete. Both AirPods Pro and the MagSafe Charging Case are IP5 for dust, sweat, and water resistant. Magical experience, simplicity on a grand scale. From instant setup to Siri commands, AirPods Pro hold all the qualities that make the AirPods family so magical. And thoughtful features give you the ability to move through more tasks with unprecedented ease. Easy, magical setup. Place AirPods Pro near your iPhone and tap Connect to seamlessly pair with every device. In your iCloud account, and if your case is custom engraved, the same engraving appears on your device's screen for an even more personal experience. Audio sharing. Easily share a song or show between any two sets of AirPods. Simply bring AirPods near the iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV you're listening to and connect instantly. So, are you as excited as we are about this new release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.